Last one, rewrite the following expression as a fraction with at most one radical term. So same thing, I want you to always try and throw these in Desmos. So I have the square root of 160 divided by 121. There's no fraction button, and we can't do a decimal. So this is the one, it's the last problem. We're actually gonna have to split it. So when I say split it, it means I'm gonna take the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. And one of these is a perfect square. Do you know which one? Try putting them both in Desmos. So the square root of 160 is a decimal, no fraction, so that we have to simplify. The denominator is a perfect square. 11 times 11 is 121. So that one, we already have our answer to. The denominator's 11. But this one, we have to simplify to get our answer. Okay, so let's start with 160. And I'm going to just make that factor tree so we can see our perfect squares. So 160 divided by 2 is 80. And then keep going. 80 divided by 2 is 40. You can use a calculator if you need to. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Wow, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's a lot. I'm going to make sure I have it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's and a 5. So if I have 1, see how I'm doing the times really quick? It's Shift 8. If you're like, how is she doing that? Shift 8, the little star, is times in Desmos shorthand. Okay, so we got it right. All those 2's and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. All right. Now let's look. Look at all these doubles I got. So remember, this is the square root of 4. 2 times 2. What's that? 2. So when it comes out of the square root, it's just 1, 2. Same thing here. Another pair of 2's, it comes out 1, 2. And I'm going to multiply those. So on the outside, I have 2 times 2. And then inside, these don't have a buddy. They're going to stay, and we're going to multiply everything. So 4 square root of 2 times 5 is 10. And that's what goes here. So I like to check my answer. Remember when we started, I did square root of 160 over 121? Well, my new answer is 4 square root of 10 divided by 11. They're the same. That's what you want. Okay, so let's type this in. 4 square root 10, oops, divided by 11. That looks like how I have it written down. And we got error. Nope, we got it.